Come here.
Oh,
Bag.
oh shit.
Damn, son.
Can't get across the head. Yes, you did.
Look at that. Fly.
God! Dude, that one hurt.
Oh shit.
I'm fucking hungry.
Hit him.
Bitch.
Ooh. Oh. 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 Damn, that was a good one.
You hit me right in that cut.
I'm still recording. I don't even care.
I'm the one who got the face shot in the face.
Quit bitching.
Yeah,
these
buddy.
knuckles too. I know, I felt the because of my fucking eye. Did you? You might have a black eye tomorrow. Oh yeah, I probably will. No face shots.
Hitting me. Oh. Oh.
Kick him off.
Nigga almost fell. Oh shit! Hit him!
Get up.
Hit him!
Pound and pound. Smash that ass.
God, I'm good. My shirt came off.
Figure out.
This is shirt boxing, by the way.
What the hell are you doing with that?
Redneck boxing.
There we go, round 2.
Ding, ding, ding.
I don't know. I don't give a fuck.
That guy's flying.
Yo, shine the light back over there.
Go.
What? Headshot!
Oh shit!
You hit my arm.
Lopez and Pueblo. Big one.
Get him in the chest.
Good job, Lopez.
Get him, Hernandez.
You wanna mess with me, Holmes?
Oh!
Hey, hold on, hold
Huh,
on.
ese?
He hit me with the wrong fit.
Yo, go get another shirt so they can use both.
He hit me with the other
Dude, they
fist
ain't touching
from
my
the chin.
shirts.